Hi, my name is Christina, and Nick was talking about experiences at the Gibson earlier, and I just kind of want to know what your because your concerts are always our favorites. What were some of your favorite experiences, and or any scary experiences? Like I almost got punched at one of your concerts one time.
Talking about at this venue or just in general?
At the Palladium. At the Palladium, a girl. She thought I stepped on her and she punched me.
Well, that's not nice. So from our experience, you want to know general or at this venue?
Yeah, whichever. If this one, or if there's another one you want to talk about.
I don't remember where we were, but it was the Millennium Tour, and Kevin used to have a white baby grand that he'd play on that tour, and I forgot what city it was in, but Lionel Richie came up and played and sang with us, and we did Easy Like Sunday Morning, and it was just a cool moment, you know, because it was during one of our shows. We've done a lot of stuff. We've been very blessed to do a lot of stuff with other artists like Sting, Franklin, but this was during our show. And to have Lionel Richie come up and sing with us was pretty cool.
Let's see, what else? The Sting Men Strike Back performance was pretty amazing. The Elton John performance on the Grammys was pretty amazing. Although you couldn't hear our background vocals at all, I was pissed about that. Because we worked on that a while. Playing the Superdome in New Orleans was amazing. Playing that stadium in Brazil in front of 100,000 people was amazing. There's a lot of them. Been very blessed to have a lot of those kind of memories.
I have one. I know I said this Slipknot thing, but that, whatever. No, just playing when we did the Super Bowl. It was my birthday. My favorite quarterback was playing the Super Bowl, and it was in Tampa, at the Tampa Stadium. So it was like a trifecta.
The only thing is, if Tampa would have been, it would have been...
Don't start.
No, I'm just
the
saying...
New Year. Oh, it would have been great.
Quadruple, like...
It would have been like... But it was just weird. The whole thing, I mean, we were... That was crazy.
For me, it was, it's kind of like Nick. It was February 19th, on the day before my birthday, and we played the Atlanta Dome, where I live.
Georgia Dome.
It was the Millennium Tour, so like, you know, flipping on the surfboards. We were superheroes. But that particular concert is the record holder for the largest indoor concert in North American history. So, thank you.
Like 70,000 or 60,000?
69,745 people. So I have an award, like a plaque, in my studio that hangs over my piano. And it's kind of cool that it's Atlanta. And I live there.
Howard?
I have to say mine is a combination of what everybody has said here. I mean, I always love coming